So yeah, hello guys. I think we are live and it's your one and only Wall Street Wizard this side. So yeah, I think we are live. Yeah, very much ready for this. So actually, I just came live over here to show you guys that I have taken a trade over here in Euro JPY. Actually, the plan and all the mood of this particular trade was that in 1 day time frame, that if you see, let me show you it in brief, that if you see in 1 day time frame that there's this 50 EMA, this is the 50 EMA in 1 day time frame. And sorry, I think this one is a, yeah, sorry, this one is the 100 EMA in 50 in 1 day time frame, and this one is the 50 EMA in 1 minute time frame. So as you guys can see that market is planning to touch this 50 and 100 EMA because it is very close by. So what actually happened over here in 15 minutes time frame over here was, is there anything? No. So actually in 1 hour, this is a particular parallel channel that is going on over here in this market, as you guys can see. And actually what has happened over here, that there was a particular level over here in 115 minutes time frame, and it was this particular level. I think, yeah, so it was this particular level over here in 15 minutes time frame, and let me just mark it over here. So in 15 minutes time frame, once market gave a breakout over here and then just rallied up to take up the SL of all the sellers whoever have entered, and it also broke out over here, creating a W pattern menace over here, showing that it is a W pattern and market will definitely rally up and go up to tap all the buyers, and it actually tapped all the buyers, and now the market has simply gone in the downward pattern or downward manner. And let me show you from which particular thing market has given a breakout from 50 EMA. If you guys see that market has went in the downward direction, as you guys can see, it came up over here to touch this particular, and then it has gone till here. So my particular trade over here is with 0.004 lot, and it actually, my earlier take profit was over here till 160.755, but after that I plan to just withdraw that particular moment. I thought that maybe approximately $10 profit would be a good profit of 0.004 lot, because I don't want to risk a much of amount. And if any one of you guys who is watching or wants this particular trade can copy it, and yeah, you guys can take a stop loss of approximately, just let me tell you, you guys can take a stop loss of approximately, take it actually 0.68, 6.8 stop loss, and point and $10, $6.8 stop loss and $10 of profit. That is more than one ratio trade, if you guys can see. And let's wait, if we can execute or our trade gets complete, or we will be bumbled upon by the market. Actually, by the time our trade is getting completed or something else is going to happen, let me just show you what are the overall analysis or other things that are going on in the market before the London session opens. London session is going to open within approximately 40 minutes, and let's see how London session goes on. So yeah, over here let me show you something about BTC. My major things are about BTC only. Actually, wait, I think I have not edited this. Let me just edit the date over here. It's 31. Okay, and we are safe. Woohoo! So yeah, over here we are in BTC. Actually, what is going on in BTC is that in BTC, if you guys see that there is a descending triangle in 1 hour time frame like this. And if you guys want the levels of this descending triangle, if anybody wants to take a trade for this descending triangle, actually, so this would be the level in the downward side till which we are hoping that market will come if it follows the proper descending triangle pattern. Okay, So actually what is going on over here in descending triangle is that once market gave a breakout over here, let me show you. Once market gave a breakout over here showing that it is giving a breakout for the descending triangle, and then it just simply rallied in the upside direction and trapped up all the sellers over here, and then it again gave a breakout over here and it again rallied in the upward direction, trapping up all the sellers. Okay, so at this particular moment market is at the verge of a breakout, and I don't think this time also it will be a true breakout, because you guys can expect a more upside momentum from the market. And actually if you guys see that uh, here there is a W pattern also, and maybe I think that's a false W pattern, and market at the max would not accompany this, or maybe a company. So just wait, don't enter in BTC right now at this very moment, because it is a quite trappy and you guys can get trapped very easily. So there's no point of uh, wasting your dollars. It's as simple as that. Just wait for a proper move. Market will definitely give a proper move and you guys will be able to notice. So there's no point of entering right at this very moment. Let it give a proper breakout, and I think there's an ascending triangle within a descending triangle in the BTC, and I hope that if this is a proper ascending triangle as of the structure or trend which market is showing at this particular moment, we can expect a move in the upside direction. And if it is a regular ascending triangle and if it is true whatever is happening in the market, then we guys can expect a move in the upward direction till let me show you till, yeah, till over here. You guys can expect a move till over here, and then after that market can simply fall down the dive on. Once let me show you how this structure will follow out if this is a proper ascending triangle. Once market gives the what has happened over yeah, so once market gives a breakout for this ascending triangle over here till from this particular level, and then it can just rally up, rally up, rally up, just sorry, wait, it can then just rally up till this particular point, and after that from this particular point it can take a little bit of rejection and then just touch it this particular point, or maybe a little bit higher, or at the max this particular point, or then it can, maybe if it goes it can go for this, and then it can just simply rally in the downward direction till the level that I have told you guys to market, or just told you. Let me just show you the level. Yeah, so if you guys want that particular level, so this is that particular level that I was talking about. If you guys want a exact clear picture, that is 79,492.73. So this is the exact level that maybe the market is planning for or showing in this particular structure. uh, and this was all about this BTC trade. Just don't get trapped. There is an ascending triangle within a descending triangle, and just don't get trapped. Okay, just wait for a clear picture. Let the London session and Tokyo session collide. They will be overlapping within next 35 minutes for 1 hour. So maybe we can expect a momentum and volume. Just wait, don't get trapped, and yeah, it is all about. And if you guys want to see what is happening in Ethereum, so let's just go for analysis in Ethereum also. In Ethereum, if you see in 15 minutes time frame, there is a parallel channel. There's a proper parallel channel that is there in the market in Ethereum, and you guys should wait for this parallel, for a breakout in parallel channel to have a big trade. And if anybody wants a quick trade or a scalping trade, you guys can expect a momentum in the downward direction once London session and Japanese session overlap, because at this particular moment market has taken rejection from once from over here, and then just simply rally in the downward direction, and again from here, and then just simply rally in the downward direction, and then it's again over here. So actually what happens, or what a usual pattern is,
चला जाएगा एक और में स्प्रेड बढ़ जाएंगे इसके 600 से 450 में मिल रहा है अभी करते हैं 51% डिस्काउंट सूट कपड़ा अच्छा है प्लीज एंटर हाउस डिटेल्स कृपया घर का विवरण दर्ज से कह रहे थे इसने भी लिया क्या है कोई मंगाया नहीं इसने भी तो मंगाया फ्लैट नंबर बोल देती है वो तो हो गया और फिर वो इसका कैंसिल कर दिया कैंसिल कर सकते हैं 650 का सूट 450 मिल रहा है डिस्काउंट 51% वो ऑर्डर निकल गया
so yeah, actually there was some little bit break. So yeah, what I was telling you guys, that actually what usual scenario, what the usual trend is there in the market, that a market follows a particular structure or particular pattern approximately three times, and after three times, if market comes to that particular point, it is usually a scenario, or it's sometimes the case that market breaks out from that particular pattern of that particular structure, and maybe change its pattern or change its structure. So over here at point zero, over here at this particular structure, there's that once it was one, then there's two, and then there's three. Actually at this very moment market is sideways, so you guys can wait. Okay, you guys can actually wait. And from now on what I am planning is to give you guys one perfect or 100% sure trade once a day, while maybe it's during London session or maybe it's during New York session. So yeah, you guys can always wait for my live. It will now be approximately at the same time whenever London session is going to open or whenever the New York session is going to open. So this is the case happening over in BTC and Ethereum. And now let's go for Euro USD. And in Euro USD also market is actually at this very moment sideways, and all that nonsense is only happening at this moment. So what has actually happened over here is that there was a structure over here in the market. As you guys can see that this is that particular structure that is there in the market. Market gave a breakout for this particular structure over here, and let me show you it in 15 minutes time frame. One interesting thing, and that interesting thing is this particular thing over here. What actually happened was market, as you guys can see that this is the particular structure that has been formed in the market, and after that what happened, market gave a breakout in the upside direction and then just simply rally in the downward direction, trapping up all the buyers. And then what happened from this particular moment, market just trapped up all the, whenever you see that there are very big wicks coming up in the market, you can see that there's little to very less volume there in the market, and you guys should avoid trading at that particular point. And what happened over here was market tapped up all the buyers, all the sellers, and then just simply rallied in the upward direction. And now at this very moment, market is sideways, and over here there is a very strong rejection happening from this particular point. So there are basically, let me count the rejection, one rejection, and if you guys want to count it as a whole, then there's two, or if you want to count it as individual, then there are one, two, and three rejection, and then this is the fourth rejection. Okay, so there are approximately four rejections that have happened at this particular point. So it is a very strong pattern or position over here, and you guys and it has actually also touched 50 EMA over here in 15 minutes time frame. So yeah, wait for the market to give a breakout, or just wait for the market to break this particular structure, and just don't randomly enter in London session, just wait for it. Okay, so yeah, this was all about Euro USD, BTC, and then Ethereum. And now we will be going for gold. So actually what I told you earlier in gold was that this is the structure, or this is the pattern that the market is following. Let me just extend this line over here. Yeah, so this was the trend of the market is actually at its all-time high. Gold is actually at its all-time high, and yeah. So yeah, market has given a breakout for this particular structure, and maybe it is a very clear breakout. Or what you guys can expect, if you guys actually want to take a trade, is that market will definitely form an M pattern or double top. So what you guys can expect is just wait for the reversal, don't enter in this particular market, just wait for reversal. uh, After that particular reversal, actually what you guys can also expect, or what you, if you guys really want a trade, is in gold, that just wait for the market to at least come till 0.786 level, or touch this, or till zero point 0.5, or just wait for the rejection, let the market come over here, and then market will definitely tap up all the sellers whoever might have entered over here in the upside direction. Okay, in the upside direction till here. So what, so this is all of that you guys can expect, and just don't randomly enter, and just wait for the market. So in gold, actually, if you guys want to really take a trade, this is what are the guidelines that I have given you. Market will definitely come down, and definitely an 110% form a double top or a M pattern, what you guys say. And here it is the 50 EMA. If market comes down till this particular level, then you guys can definitely 110% expect a bounce back, tapping up all the sellers whoever have might enter thinking that, oh, this is the all time high and now market will break out and it will go in the downward direction, thinking everything, oh, now we are going to be millionaire. It's not how market works. So what you guys need to think of is wait for the retracement, let the market come till this particular point, and then what you guys can expect is breaking this all time high also in the upside direction over here. Okay, and after that you guys can definitely plan a trade in the downward direction, and by that time don't actually go for a trade in the downward direction. Just wait for the market to retrace and then you guys can expect, because actually if you see, this was the day opening. From here I will be marking a Fibonacci. So over here in the Fibonacci you guys can see that at this level, the 1 day time frame that I have shown you just 10 I think 5 minutes before, there's a level of 0.786. And if there's a level of 0.786, as I have told you earlier also, at 0.786 level, these are the Fibonacci levels where major institutions or markets or big players enter. So at 0.786 you guys can expect a bigger and a larger volume. So you guys should wait, don't just randomly enter, because dollar matters most. Don't just lose your money to some big players who might want to trap you. So this was all about the analysis that I gave you for Euro USD, and then here is our gold, and then this is the BTC, and then it's Ethereum. Okay, so just wait, don't randomly enter. And if you guys want, I will definitely be live before New York session, and London session is about to going open within next 20 minutes, and London and Japanese session are going to overlap, so you guys can expect a major volume or good amount of volume. And after that you guys can expect a volume in before London session and New York session. So yeah, that was all about this today's session about market analysis. And if you guys want any queries or any questions, just ask me or comment down below. Very much thank you for joining. Bye guys, god bless you.